Yes! Morning again. Morning, good afternoon, good evening. Beautiful performance from Arsenal versus Bouremount in FA Cup fourth round draw. And the young lads really stepped up. I love and I really enjoyed that performance. Beautiful performance from Saka, Eddie Nketiah, Martinelli. Those were very standout performance. And the way how I watched Guendouzi control the middle of the pitch, or Guendouzi controlled the middle of the park, was tremendous. Love the work ethic. I love what Arteta is implementing. I love the way the team is playing. I realized that they went out hard the first half and get the 2 goals. I was trying to control the second half, but you know, only Arsenal alone can trying to implement game management and still concede a goal. The 8 minutes really surprised me. Though. I was quite surprised about that. But anyways, I enjoyed the performance. Love what's happening. Well, hope you like and share. This is the Militarygooner, aka Lope Arsenal. Thank you very much. I'm out.